Is your preschooler ready for kindergarten? Let's practice our skills to get along with others. The Texas Education Agency provides a list of skill domains to help determine if your child is ready for kindergarten. Our goal today is to make these standards a little easier to understand and share ways that you can help your child build those skills every day. Today, we're talking about social and emotional development, a fancy way of talking about the skills we use to get along with others and manage our behaviors. These self-regulation skills help us understand acceptable and unacceptable ways of dealing with our emotions. Talk with your child about the differences between feelings and behaviors. You can help your child understand what is okay and what isn't. It's okay for us to feel excited, but you can't jump off the furniture. Then, talk about your feelings and the feelings of book characters. Why do you think they are feeling that way? Have you ever felt that way? What can you do about it? Let your child pick what activity to do next. Encourage them to stick with the activity until it is done. Offer praise and help, and if your child is having a hard time staying focused, praise their efforts, be encouraging, offer help, or suggest new ideas to try. You can also practice using multi-step directions throughout the day. This will help your child practice concentration and memory, which are also important in learning to read. Balance your quiet and active time. Use routines to help your child understand when it's okay to be noisy and active and when it's time to be calm and quiet.